So from Sipalay to Dumaguete. Good morning guys! Ako po si Richard, ang inyong Christian Rider. At ang atin pong destination ngayon ay Dumaguete City. So from Sipalay to Dumaguete, ayan po mga kapatid, ilalagay ko sa screen ang atin pong mapa. At napakalayo ng ating babiyahin ngayon mga kapatid. Thanks be to God.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, the Christian rider. Oh yeah, the Christian rider. Oh yeah, the Christian rider. Rider with a heart, mission is to preach. Passion is the road. Ooh. From the city of Sipalay, here come a motor blogger with heart of worship. Everywhere he goes, everywhere he knows that God will never leave.
Dito na tayo ngayon sa Santa Catalina. So dito kasi sa Santa Catalina may dalawang daanan papunta ng Dumaguete. Yung Pamplona, yung papunta sa Pamplona, at saka yung main road. So tatanungin ko ngayon yung aking AI bot kung saan yung pinaka or mas malapit mga kapatid na daanan. Tingnan nyo ha. Hey Mojo!
Yes, master.
Where is the nearest road to Dumaguete? My location now is Santa Catalina, Negros Oriental. Analyze now.
The main road, National Highway Negros South Road, is significantly faster. Main road, National Highway, around 96.8 kilometers and takes about 2 hours and 9 minutes. Via Pamplona, around 114 kilometers and takes about 3 hours and 4 minutes. The main coastal highway is the quickest and most direct route to Dumaguete.
Napagod ako guys. So pahinga muna tayo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Shaton. Ayan. So pahinga muna tayo mga kapatid. Ay, timing ah. Ayan o. Thank you Lord. Yan guys oh. Welcome to Dumaguete City. Ayan. Yung proper Dumaguete 6 kilometers. Nandito tayo ngayon sa proper Dumaguete guys. Ayan na yung Robinson oh. Thank you Lord. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Dumaguete mga kapatid. Thank you for watching guys sa ating video. God bless you mga kapatid. Peace out.